Tesla production capacity to reach 3 million units. Tesla, the world's largest all-electric car manufacturer, reports a stable installed annual vehicle capacity of 2.35 million units, according to its Q1 financial report. The manufacturer outlined a plan to launch new models and increase its manufacturing output to 3 million vehicles. During the first quarter of 2024, Tesla produced 433,371 EVs, 2% less than a year ago. Tesla explained that the decline was partially caused by the early phase of the production ramp of the updated Model 3 at our Fremont factory, and factory shutdowns at Gigafactory Berlin resulting from shipping diversions caused by the Red Sea conflict and from an arson attack. In this post, we will walk through Tesla's EV manufacturing plants to see what's going on at each of the sites. Tesla factory in Fremont, California, over 650,000 per year. Tesla's Fremont factory has the potential to produce up to over 550,000 Model 3, Model Y a year, and up to 100,000 Model S, Model X. The only change compared to the previous reports is the addition of the word over, which indicates that there are some improvements related to the Model 3, Model Y Tesla Giga Nevada Gigafactory 1 in Nevada. Tesla's first Gigafactory was its lithium-ion battery cell plant, which makes 2,170 type cylindrical battery cells in partnership with Panasonic, as well as other products, drive units, power electronics, energy storage systems, and parts. Tesla Giga Shanghai Gigafactory 3 in China, over 950,000 per year. The Tesla Giga Shanghai plant has the potential to produce over 950,000 Model 3, Model Y per year. The plant remains the company's export hub and accounts for about half of the total manufacturing capacity. Tesla Giga Berlin Gigafactory 4 in Germany, over 375,000 per year. Tesla Giga Berlin in Grünheide near Berlin, Germany has produced the Tesla Model Y powered by 2,170 type cylindrical battery cells since March 2022. Tesla Giga Texas Gigafactory 5 in the U.S., over 375,000 per year. Tesla Giga Texas in Austin started production of the Tesla Model Y in April 2022. According to the company, in May 2023, the plant achieved a production rate of 5,000 Model Y all versions per week. The most recent report says that Model Y production in Texas reached an all-time high, while COGS per unit improved to an all-time low. Tesla Giga Mexico Gigafactory 6 in Mexico. In March 2023, Tesla announced that its sixth Gigafactory plant will be built in Santa Catarina municipality near Monterrey Nuevo León, Mexico. Tesla announced that it updated its future vehicle lineup to accelerate the launch of new models, ahead of our previously communicated start of production in the second half of 2025. There will be new vehicles, including more affordable ones, based partially on the current platforms and partially on the next generation platform. These new EVs will be produced at existing production lines, while the combined maximum capacity of the plants will increase to close to 3 million units. Tesla noted that it would be 50% more than in 2023. Source: reposted and summarized from @insideevs.